Next up, where are you? You're there. Google has leaked something themselves, but this is not intentional. This is not like one of those OnePlus leaks, Will. This is different from that. This was a mistake, and they put out a list, essentially, of unreleased and unannounced phones, because obviously Google, in many cases, has this information beforehand. The list includes devices from 8 Android OEMs, and Google has already fixed this and revoked the list, but those publications caught on to it. Those publications, like Android Authority, wagging my finger, and others. I think it actually, you can see that they were nice enough to say that first it went to 9 to 5 Google, but you know how this goes. One site and the next site. All right, the list includes devices like the Zenfone 8 Flip and the Motorola Moto G100, Oppo Reno 5A, Oppo Reno 5 Pro Plus 5G, Bosch. Some interesting, that's a collaboration, I guess. Whoa, unlikely collaboration. The one that stood out to Android Authority and to myself was the Zenfone 8 Flip, because that device hadn't been leaked at all. No rumors about it. And I guess there was some curiosity around whether they would stick to that crazy flippy camera as a flagship feature. This is, of course, the camera that rotates. So your rear camera becomes your front-facing camera. It's motorized. Anyway, it looks like they're going to stick to it, because otherwise you wouldn't keep the Flip in the name. You would just have the Zenfone 8. But keeping the Flip over there means you're still flipping. The other rumor around this device, I mean, if it is the flagship, it obviously should have Snapdragon 888 in there as well. And they also mentioned the Bosch thing, which is a bit strange. Bosch, by the way, an appliance/tool company, but they make great things.
Do they?
I have a few Bosch things that are great. I have a few Bosch, not the Amazon original Bosch, but like Bosch drills and circular saws and appliances. I mean, you have probably seen their coffee makers in the past. I mean, it's good stuff.
Yeah.
I'm a fan of it. Spark plugs. So I don't know. We'll see how that goes. But anyway, they got rid of the list. I guess these manufacturers probably weren't too happy about it, but everything's leaking these days. So who knows?